Hi there. I want to talk about parallel parking because it's probably the maneuver that people worry about the most and the criteria we have to fulfill. So if you're doing a parallel park on your driving test, the examiner would stop you before the car, then they'll ask you to drive alongside it and stop, reverse to park behind and try and complete the maneuver within 2 car lengths and finish reasonably close to the curb. How you achieve that with the observations isn't really the issue I want to talk about today. It's the common problem. First of all, is the worry of other people waiting. And when you're doing it, just see how often that people actually do wait patiently. It's the exception when someone gives you a bit of a hard time over it. So ask yourself, who's putting me under pressure? Is it me, or is it them themselves? And you'll probably find that it's actually us. And the other thing is speed. The best advice I could give is not whether you do one turn, half a turn, full lock. It doesn't really matter. If it does the job, it's all fine. The thing is about speed. As soon as you move, slow the car down. If that's a manual car, as soon as you move, lower the clutch a little bit. You'll have to raise it and feathering it back, but don't let it pick up speed at all at any point, because speed or lack of speed gives you time. That will be time to give the observations and control where the car's actually going. So as soon as you move, slow it down would be really, really good advice. Okay? You are allowed to stop. Whole thing mustn't take too long, but if you're doing that, that shouldn't become an issue anyway. It's usually very messy as well whenever that becomes an issue. So people waiting, who's actually putting me under pressure? Probably us rather than them. Just go and get used to it. They'll nearly always wait patiently. Perhaps the odd one won't, but nearly all of them will. We can say thank you at the end as well. And as soon as you move, slow it down. And then you'll get time, and then you should find it much easier. Go away and practice. Good luck.